Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. So that is a sounds of Y. So though we consider a Y as consonant, sometimes Y pronounce like vowel. Okay. So when it sounds like consonant sound, when it sounds like vowel, so we have different rules for that. Okay. So whenever we are following that rule, it sounds like sometimes consonant and sometimes vowel. Okay, so if it is sounds like vowel, then which vowel sound it produces? Okay, so that all we are going to see in this video. Okay, so let's learn first when Y produces consonant sound. What is the rule? So the rule is here, when word starts with Y, okay, then it produces consonant sound. Okay, so for example, yard. Okay, so in a yard it starts with Y, so it produces consonant sound. And next, if it is not starting with a Y, even though it produces consonant sound, if it is the Y is the starting letter of syllable. Okay, so means there are syllables in a word, right? So if the syllable is starts with the Y, then there also it produces consonant sound. Yeah, so for example, lawyer. Okay, so their second syllable starts with Y. Okay, and next we have beyond. So in beyond also we have two syllables, so second syllable starts with Y. So here also it produces consonant sound. Okay, so now let's see where it produces vowel sound. Okay, so here when there are no vowels in a small words, so like if you see here monosyllable words, so if it monosyllable words doesn't contain vowel sound, if Y is there in that word, then Y produces like vowel. Second one, if the words are ending with Y, okay, so there also it produces vowel sound. Okay, and next third one, if it is there a middle of the word, okay, so if it is there in the middle of the word, so there also it produces vowel sound. Like for example, cycle. Okay, it's not either first or last, it's there in the middle, so it sounds it produces vowel sound. Okay, and sometimes when we are using diphthongs, okay, so there also you can feel that semi vowel sound. So diphthong like oy, okay, boy, toy. Okay, so there also it will produce us like semi vowel sound. Okay, so these are the some guidelines where Y produces vowel sound. So which vowel it produces, is it long I, short I, so all that stuff will explain in the next session. So I want to go level by level. So yeah, let me describe briefly here. So actually here Y steals the sounds of two vowels. These are I and E. Here are the examples. So if you see I side, these are all monosyllable words which are ending with Y, and we don't have any more vowels here. So it produces long I sound like fry, my, fly. Okay, and in the next section it is showing long E sound. So where there we have more than one syllable and words are ending with Y, so it produces long E sound. So like sunny, bunny, many. Okay, so yeah, so that's all about our consonant and vowel sounds. So in the next video I will explain everything in detail. Okay, so in initial video I just give a little bit introduction why and where it sounds consonant sound and vowel sound. Okay, I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubts, please do let me know. Okay, so I'll try to give more information in our next video. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe my channel because I am going to post a lot of educational videos on my channel in different languages. Okay, so that's it for today's class, and then we'll see you in the next session. Bye bye. Thank you so much. So if you like the video, please do let me know through the like button. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.